Xiaomi mobile. Xiaomi, Redmi, MI phone or mobile. Factory reset, hard reset, forget pattern and password. Pattern, password or finger forget. Lock this device. Then next, not work. First, power of this device. Then volume up and power key with. Press volume up and power. Volume up button and power key press with. After logo show, then release power key button. Just press volume up button few seconds, then volume down, web data selected, then power press, then web data all, then power OK, then confirm. Formatted this pattern, password, Gmail, Google account, then reboot the system. Press reboot. After reboot and wait. All Xiaomi phone, Redmi mobile, pattern, password, fingerprint unlock. Xiaomi mobile, password unlock, very easy. Forget pattern, password. Xiaomi Redmi Poco MI, all Android smartphone, pattern, password and fingerprint unlock, very easy. Forget pattern, this method work 100%. Then next, then next. Accept, then next, skip, then more and accept, skip. Okay, no any account. This phone is Redmi Note 11 Pro. Okay, bye.